Bitcoin and crypto in general are gradually replacing the SWIFT payment system. Ripple OCC banking license is now ready for the general review. We now have the Ripple Bank interagency license application ready for review. And after all this application has been granted, then we see the reward use case for Ripple. So you see how banks will go out of existence if they did not interswitch or interrogate into this crypto network into one. If this is your first time of watching us, don't forget to leave us with a like button and subscribe to our channel. This is Digital Asset TV. My name is Michael Karimu. This is where we give you all the crypto information, all the crypto updates you need for you to go on your crypto journey. EFTs are piling up, are flooding, awaiting the adoption, awaiting their approval to adopt crypto. And these EFTs are treasuries company that want to expose their customer to crypto. So they are piling up to adopt crypto. So that's why we say the world is going to adopt crypto. Samsung just announced the integration of Bitcoin and crypto payments to its 75 million users. So the world is going to adopt crypto, but it might only take time, waiting for iOS and for Apple to do the same. It's going to happen. Your school is going to accept crypto payment. Medical center is going to adopt crypto payment. Your taxi is going to accept crypto payment. The aviation industry will accept crypto payment because they would have been integrated into chain, into tokens, into the blockchain technology by then. By then, the cost of these commodities would have been high because what happened in economics, demand and supply, when people start adopting it, when the masses have adopted it, as people adopt this commodity, the price go high because demand is getting much and supply is getting reduced. So you have to take advantage of this God-given wealth, God-given opportunity that has presented itself in form of crypto now that you can grow with it. Take advantage of crypto good products that are there now that are still at the very, very early stage. There is ADA, there is SUI, there is SLP, there is SLM, there is Alstar, there is Dogecoin, there is Sui, there is Solana, there is a lot of them now that you can take advantage that they are very good products. Because crypto as an industry is a community. We all have the same focus, the same goal, which is to be free. If you're coming into this industry now, the goal is to beat inflation, the goal is to beat poverty. Just like Rema said, my enemy is Sakpa. So that's what we're doing. We're beating poverty. So we educate people on how to take leverage on this industry now that has presented themselves there. Instead of you investing on the physical investment, digital is better. I hear people say digital is risky, digital is dangerous. That's fair for me. For me, digital is better, digital is safer, digital is prosperous. All we need is a digital money, it's a digital financing system, and crypto has an opportunity to keep our money in a digital form. That it is free from politics, it is free from corruption, it is free from manipulation, it is free from emotions, it is basically math, encrypted, and it is legal. If you are buying crypto, if you are getting exposed to crypto, if you are adopting crypto in 2025, October, you are still at the early stage. It's very, very early because this approval are yet to be adopted, are yet to be signed. As soon as they get approved, then you see crypto in general, SRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, SUI, Solana, and you see the top 20 crypto products. You see how they will spring up. So because these top 20 crypto products are layer one crypto products. So all other industries, if they are coming on chain, then they will have to dwell on these already existing networks, crypto networks, which you can take advantage. People are getting tokenized, companies are getting tokenized. The reuse word case for crypto will soon come into play. A lot of people are scared about crypto, but you'll be scared more in 2 years' time. You'll be scared more because you can't imagine how spontaneous, how fast the price has risen. So you have to take advantage of it now. Remember, the risk taker and the risk taker. Take advantage of the world finance capital. Take advantage of this industry. Take advantage of this small market cap industry of just 4.3 trillion today. Remember, January it was 2.3 trillion. Today, November, it is 4.3 trillion market cap for crypto. And it's going to double, triple, quadruple. So it's going to happen. So you have to take advantage of it now before it gets too late. So we educate people on how to take leverage on this industry now that has presented themselves there. Instead of you investing on the physical investment, digital is better. I hear people say digital is riskier, digital is dangerous. That's fair for me. For me, digital is better, digital is safer, digital is prosperous. All we need is a digital money, it's a digital financing system, and crypto has another opportunity to keep our money in a digital form, that it is free from politics, it is free from corruption, it is free from manipulation, it is free from emotions, it is basically math, encrypted, and it is legal. So adopt crypto today. The positive adoption of crypto is all we talk in this channel. So thank you for watching.